Take two. Donald J. Trump is president-elect. My name is Gina Fournier. Oakland Community College, sexist, gaslight, bogus mental health care witch hunt. On October 17th, 2024, I was suicide swatted by my elected official, Kristen McDonald Rivet, in bad faith. She has just been elected, I believe it's confirmed, to the U.S. Congress. I voted for her twice. I met both Kristen McDonald Rivet and Stephen Prince at a coffee chat in Bay City in the spring of April 2023. I told this woman face to face, as earnestly as I could, that I was set up by my employer, Oakland Community College, suicide swatted, police abducted, and taken unnecessarily to the St. Mary Merciless, Trinity Health Livonia emergency room. She gave me the evil stink eye. She was very anti-feminist. She was very anti-woman. She was very pro-Kristen McDonald Rivet. May I suggest this is the face of the Democrat elite that put Donald J. Trump in the office, along with her white male office boy, Stephen Prince, who I spoke with bodily close to close, bodies close, eyes to eyes. He seemed earnest. I said, I have a story. I'd like to share it, and I'd like to talk about revision of the mental health code. They worked me. Instead of doing right, they played politics with my life. I almost lost my life because of the devastating effect of unprosecuted criminal psychiatry since February 22nd, 2013, over a decade ago. Make these people the face of the Democrats who gave the White House to Donald Trump. This man lied to the police. They did not need to check my voter records for my address. AG Dana Nessel, prosecutor in Bay County, I encourage you to investigate whether or not Stephen Prince broke the law when he purposely and knowingly lied to the 911 dispatch on October 17th, 2024. The last thing I needed was to be suicide swatted again. After so many times, I'll get you the number. I don't even know it. It's such a huge number. After the first time, it just kept happening and happening because I had to keep telling my story. I was not evaluated. I was locked up illegally. I was psychiatrically human trafficked. And as I tried to explain, I have the documentation, but who reads? Stephen, you are the sexist, white, male, dirty Democrat. In my book, you're lower than Donald Trump. I have to be honest. Let's hear what he had to say. Okay. We're going to start it, and I probably have to shut it off. I'll have enough.
In Bay City.
And who are they checking in?
The woman's name is Gina Fournier.
How old is she? Do you know?
I believe she's in her early 60s.
Okay.
In the video, she talks, or in the video and in the message that we received, she talks a lot about being psychologically raped and being a victim of human trafficking due to a myriad of issues, but she blames it a lot on Catholics.
That's enough.